Alright guys, so this is what my mom's car looks like. It's a 2016 Toyota Corolla LE, but take a look at this. There is bird poop on the side of the car, as well as on the hood and the windshield. There's one more right here. Also more on the passenger doors. Another one right here. I'm trying not to show the license plates. There's more right here. Yep, but don't worry, Mom, we'll take care of you. Alright guys, we are at the car wash, which features a touch-free and a soft touch at Jiffylube in California, Maryland, and impossible to see, but down there would, like, going this way would take you to the manual bays. Now the reason why we are going into the touch-free bay is not only to wash the salt off, but just because that my mom told me not to leave any scratches left on the paint, so whatever. But here's a look into the soft touch or foam bright bay, and looking into there, that is actually a Softgloss XS too, believe it or not. And right in there would be the what's actually called not just a radius, but a Ryko Radius. So just to show. Okay, so this person just got in. Looks like the dryers are still running, if you can hear it. So our wash options, we have a basic for 7. Let me zoom in to the wash options so we can read. Oh, that's too close. So we have a basic for 7, deluxe for 9, premium for 10, and an ultimate for 12. So since I'm shooting the video, we're gonna go for the ultimate wash. So I'm guessing, yeah, Dad's gonna use a card. Second machine.
Please select wash by pressing one.
So,
would you want the ultimate?
Yes, select the ultimate, please. So it's authorizing the card. It's still authorizing.
Wait, the car wash is in use.
Okay. All right. Now, what you need to do is grab that mirror.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. So wait for it to tell us to go, and then we'll go. Okay, well, sign actually says enter right here, but normally I tend to wait for the person in front of me to get out completely. Got the blasters running. gotta stop. Yes, I had to put it in park. Huh. Looks like this person is still taking advantage of the drivers. Yes, part of the music playing, it's just that my dad decided to play the car wash video from the 1970s. Looks like the sign right there saying wheel scrub. It's impossible to see it from inside.
Some of the work gets kind of hard. This ain't no place
So the sign saying detergent pre-soak.
Let me tell you, it's always cool. And the boss don't mind sometimes if you act the fool at the car wash. Talking about the car wash. Come on, y'all, and sing it.
Yeah, sign saying applying pre-soak.
Well, those cars never seem to stop coming. Work and work. Keep those lines and machines humming. Work and work. My fingers to the bone. Work about, I can't wait till it's time to go home. Hey, it's a car wash today.
You know, gotta say, this is a pretty good kind of pre-soak.
Come on and give us a play. Talking about the car wash.
So the sign right now,
Y'all and sing it with me. Car wash.
it's impossible
Sing it
to
with feeling, y'all. Car wash.
see right now, but right now the sign is saying applying pre-soak. From what it looks like, very generous. So looks like the song is just finished up, so at least I can still talk some more. And hopefully we'll have better audio. Okay, so right now we are getting the high pressure rinse. Looks like soap is left on the car, but I'm sure it will clear it off. Didn't wash it off too well. Oh good, we're making a second pass. It's not washing off the soap very well. So not quite sure what it's doing. The sign just says rinsing. Okay, right now we are getting the dry foam. Pretty good coverage. Okay, the sign is saying that it's rinsing. or just rinsing rather than going into the high pressure rinse. We're not on to the spot free rinse, but still saying that it's rinsing. Okay, sign right to the left says that we're on the clear coat, and the right says that it's super polishing. Okay, now we're on to the spot free rinse. Dryer's just started up, and now it's probably gonna tell us to dry forward, and it did. So slowly. Looks like we just had a minute of dryer time, and now we have 45 seconds left. But that's what one of the dryers looks like, and now it looks like one of the wipers are jumping around. 30 seconds left. Time left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Looks like somebody just already entered the car wash bay, and looks like we're just about done. And look, looks like the dryers do not shut off whenever we leave the car wash bay, but gotta say, the wash did a pretty decent job. We'll take a closer look whenever we get back. For now, that's it. Alright, so here is an after look of what the Ryko Radius touch-free car wash did at Jiffylube in California. As you can see, it did a pretty good job. As you can see, it's completely spotless, with the exception of some spot-free water, but I don't know what else to say about it. But looking at the roof, it did a pretty good job, I have to say. Well, I guess thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.